and their whole family, they are blaming the police of Meghalaya, they are blaming the government of Meghalaya, and particularly is a very shameful blaming the people of Meghalaya. They have done the excellent job. Within 7 days, they have already nabbed the culprit, and within 7 days, they have shown their capability. I really bravo the Meghalaya police, which they have done the best to nab the culprit, which has been there for the last 1 week.
Okay. Now
I told you also, before also I told you, we should file the defamation case against these people who are maligning the image of the state of Meghalaya, are maligning the image of the people of Meghalaya. We have to file the defamation case against them.
অতি কম দিনতেই একোটা এনেকুৱা হৈ যায় মই যে বিয়মৰ দানা খাওঁ আপোনালোকৰ বিয়মৰ দানা খাওক আৰু কম দিনতেই অধিক মুনাফা লাভ কৰক